NDT2 will be presenting two programs, one in the fall of 2019, which will be called Sierra Oscar Foxtrot Tango. For those of you used to the phonetic alphabet, we're referring to the word soft. And we picked this crazy title because in a way it's a very eclectic evening, which in the traditions of NDT2 is what we want to do, the dancers to also experience, that they cross through many genres in one evening. And that's what we will be presenting to you. The world premiere will be from Medhi Walerski. Maybe many of you know Medhi. He was a dancer with NDT2 and NDT1. He has been creating many pieces for both companies. So I'm very happy that he can also be creating inside our 60th anniversary season. We will have two reprises from Sharon Eyal and Gai Behar. That is their production of Sarah, which they have a slightly new version for you, so you have to come and see it. From Marco Goecke, we'll be bringing his magnificent Wir sagen uns Dunkels, which was premiered in 2017, I believe, and it's a magnificent tour de force of a work, which leaves one piece left, and that will be from Yoann Bourgeois, who we are inviting for the very first time. Yoann is a very interesting creator. He's also a magician, and he often works with pieces that sort of defy gravity. And he's going to be extending a work which he made in 2010 called Fugue Table, and that will be the final piece of our Sierra Oscar Foxtrot Tango program.